In this video, we are going to see how we can easily share the Word document, PDF document, or basically any document that you share it on Google Drive, or maybe you are using online Google Docs, Google Slides, or Google Sheets. So how we can convert that and how we can share all of this, let's see. First of all, I have just created a new folder, and in that I have placed an important document of Google Docs, and in there we have uploaded a document from Microsoft Office. So although we can download it directly from here as well, just click on these three dots and click on download. So you will see after a little bit of scan, it should be able to download this. But also what you can do is just double click to open this up. It will try to load this on Google Docs, but because the format is different, it will show you that couldn't preview. You may be offline or with limited connectivity. You can download it from here as well. So let's try downloading it from here as well. And here it is. Now, because this file is basically empty, that's why it's showing 0 bytes. Let me just open this for you as well. So as you can see, it's empty. It's just for the sake of example. But let's see that if we want to share this on WhatsApp web, how we can do that. So since we have all of these files downloaded in the downloads folder, after that what we do is we go to the specific chat where we want to share it. Just click on this plus sign, click on the documents, and just share the document like this. And let's say that this is the document. Let's click on open and click share. Let's try to upload the blank document again. So basically if the document is blank, it won't be able to apply or attach this. So we need to make sure that it has some of the details. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description. And I will see you in the next one.